Hey people, welcome back to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook dating not showing. So if I go for my profile and go for see more, and you can see I don't have this dating option in this list. So if I go for Chrome, and you can see in this for this dating option, and there is some criteria that you have to be at least 18 years old and have a physical good standing in the study life. Okay, and there is some uh, countries where this dating feature are available. If you are in this list, if your country in this list, then you can get this dating uh, option here on your list or menu. So if you are in this list, in this country list, and if you are dating, then just you can't see your dating option on your list, and just go for back and go for settings, app and notification, then go for Facebook, go for cache, clear cache. You have to clear your cache, and you have to uninstall your Facebook app and again install it. After that, you have just uh, your dating feature or dating option on your Facebook app. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.